Hi guys, this is Eddie Banyas and I'm still here in Oslo. And what I found about Norway is that they love nature. So when we talk about Norway, it's all about nature. So I want to explore and I want to share something to you guys what's here in Norway. So I saw one forest yesterday, so I want to explore what's in there. So let's go! Here in Oslo, the best thing about Norway in general, especially in Oslo, the government is strongly supporting to prevent any kind of pollution. So that's why if you can see here at my back, this is a huge sculpture of like a dinosaur, and this is made from all those waste materials. So according to here, the sculpture is made from recovered plastic waste, and this is like a simple message to everyone that we must stop using the nature around us and we should dump our garbage properly. So this one was created by Pipip Ferner, and that's one thing I love Norway. Here in Oslo, I'm staying here in the city, but you can see a lot of big trees such as pine trees. Like for a concrete example, like right in my back, you can see a big tree here. If you can see at my background as well, you can see even like there's some animals like birds. There's also some like squirrels all playing around. You can see here. So that's the good thing about Norway because they really love nature. Guys, time check. It's 8:15 p.m. today, and see if you can see the sun is still up. And I really don't know. I'm here in the middle of the forest, so I'm just checking out because I was really curious. That's why I came here, and I was checking. If you can see here, you can see the background. This is a pine tree. It's very tall actually, and this is like a wild, and you can see a lot of flowers around in this place. And generally speaking, Norway is trying to preserve the environment, and they're promoting to protect the natural habitat and all kinds of protection of the environment. So my vacation here that I spent is really a worth time for them. Okay, so let's go further here. See if you can see, this is another big tree here, and these are all wild, and people are just walking around. They're also riding bicycles, so they're using like electric car like that. And also like you can see everywhere the bicycles, so people are walking here in these areas to go on their work. Okay, so that's the best thing about Norway. Bulaga! Guys, Today I'm exhausted. I came from this part where I have explored these places over here and over there as well, and I saw a lot of beautiful trees, a lot of birds and kinds of animals like squirrels. They're playing around here. Okay, so guys, one thing I learned about Norway is that the Norwegian people, they love their nature, and they're so well disciplined when it comes to garbage disposal, and they're not even allowed to cut tree here because it's against their law. So that's the good thing about them, because they really love to protect their environment and all kinds of protection for their environment. So I learned a lot of things from here.